Birdie, birdie, open the cage. Birdie, open the cage. Birdie, birdie. Why you just look at me like, what are you doing? What is up, guys? My friend, his name's Dolarjon. Yeah, Dolarjon Amrillove. He told me to record this video of my bird opening the cage. So this is my bird's cage, Dolarjon. If you're watching this, and this is my bird. You saw her in another video too, but yes. These are all the things she has. And yeah, now let's just get started with all the basics. Yeah. My bird doesn't really open the cage that often, so I gotta wait a little while. But she's just staring at me like, what in the freaking world are you? What in the freaking world are you doing? Well, I don't even know. Now, let me just... Is this me? Is it actually really me? Holding my tablet? Oh, did you hear that, guys? Let me go check real quick. Yeah, that's my secrets, guys. Yep. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Come on. Come on, birdie. Come on, birdie. Come on, the little birdie. Come on, little birdie. Come on. Come on, little... Oh.
What are you doing?
Hey, you guys. Birdie, open the cage.
Babe.
Hey, you guys. She's puffed up, though. That's one.
Hi, babe. Babe. Jermaine, you knocked over my...
I don't care. Oh. Shut up.
So rude.
Cause I wanna.
Human too.
I don't. Oh, there he goes, guys. There she goes, guys. Not he. There she goes, guys. Now, Dolarjon, if you watch it, get ready for this, Dolarjon.
Hi, babe.
Open the cage, bird.
Babe.
Oh, she bites too. Yeah, you saw that? Yeah, okay. She's doing.
Aw, what's wrong?
What the frick was that?
I know you have
Bird.
one right there.
Bird. Bird,
I
you're
like
creepy.
She always tries to open the cage, but then when you record her, she gets silent.
Alright, let me just pause the video real quick. Okay. Alright.
We'll do it now.
Now or later. Can't be.
Now or later.
Come on, bird. Open the cage, bird.
This is going to be like a 10-minute video of her just sitting there and staring at you. With that eye just on the side of her head.
Oh, wow. There we go.
Babe, no.
And then Dolarjon, that's my bird opening the cage.
Hold the camera steady. It's annoying.
Peace and good luck.